How to change Twitter discoverability settings. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change Twitter discoverability settings. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Twitter app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. In the appear menu at the bottom we need to find settings and privacy and tap on it. Then just tap on privacy and safety. Here at the bottom we see discoverability and contacts, and we need to click on it. Then switch off two options: let others find you by your email and let others find you by your phone. And that's all. It was how to change Twitter discoverability settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.